Today we're going up Sonoma Canyon. It was a place that we used to come when I was younger, deer hunting. The area has changed a little bit. There's more houses and stuff in the valley, but it's pretty much the same still. I noticed they have no fireworks allowed now, I guess because of the fire season. Let's go explore.
Yeah, I see sign, no fireworks.
possible through coordination work of the, I can't quite read that one, Walton League, which brought together diverse groups to achieve a common goal. The Bureau of Land Management would like to recognize the local mining companies for their significant contributions to this project. We would also like to recognize the support and contributions of the other members of the team. Nevada Mining Association, something Cattlemen's Association, Nevada Department of Wildlife, Paraquet Ranch, Nevada Cattlemen's Association, University of Nevada, Reno, Society for Range Management. As you can see, they're not the traditional Christmas tree shape, but we would search until we found one that was Christmas tree shape before we'd cut it to take it home. They're a really nice smelling tree. See those roads going up the hill here? This
Yeah.
one here goes up to the left. You can see it going right up the ridge. There's another one that goes off up this ridge. It gets up on top. You can follow that ridge all the way up over the top to the other side of the range. That's where we used to go hunting, was back up over the other side.
So you won't go up?
Sure.
No, 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 no.
We went to hiding already. When I was younger, we used to come up here fishing, catch trout, brook trout, rainbow trout, occasionally a German brown. There's always good fishing up here when we were younger. I don't know if it's overfishing now or not, but I've seen signs of low minnows in here, so I would assume it's still doing good. Higher up you go, the rougher it gets, usually the bigger fish should be in the holes up higher.
That's what I'm talking about. Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys. That's what I'm talking about.
All young men with suits and ties, just sitting in the crowd smoking big cigars. I hope
from the beginning.
This place, that'll rock this place.